Hi there. So today we're going to just go over week 13, day 4. And once again, I want you to complete this as you go with me in your workbook. And then when you're done, you can submit your answers on the Google form. Tomorrow, Argo 13, day 5. I'm going to count that as an assessment, so I'm not going to leave the video tutorial. You're going to do that on your own and submit your Google form tomorrow. Okay. So we're looking at Argo, week 13, day 4, problem number 1. What's the value of the expression 6 divided by 1/5? So if we think about that, we're taking 6 and we're counting how many fifths there would be in 6. If we had 6 wholes and we divided them into fifths. So we have 6. We're going to change our division to multiplication. We do that when we divide by fractions. And we're going to flip our 1/5 to 5 ones. 6 ones times 5 ones is equal to, you can do that math and choose the right answer. Number 2. Number 2 is a little bit different. Remember, when we're working with division problems, we have to think what's being divided. So it says if Eric, Murray, and Devin walked a combined total of 1/6 of a mile, how many miles did each one walk? So in this story, what's being divided? 1/6 is being divided. So when we write the expression for that, we start with the fraction because this is what's being divided. And it is being divided among 1, 2, 3 people. So 1/6 is being divided by 3. So when you do this work, you're going to have 1/6. Remember, you're going to change your division to multiplication, and you're going to take your 3 ones and you're going to flip that to 1/3. Okay, so continue working to solve number 2. Select the right answer, and you'll include that on your Google form when we're finished. Number 3 is a review of rounding. So you're looking at each number and saying which one of these could be rounded to 7,500. So you're going to look really carefully in your hundreds place and to the digit next door. We'll look at A. We have 7,360. Well, 7,300 would never round up to 500 if we're rounding to the nearest hundred. So we're going to eliminate that choice. Work carefully to look at each number to decide which one could possibly round to 7,500. Number 4. Number 4 says, how many 1/4 cup servings are there in 10 cups? So once again, we have to think, what's being divided? In this story, 10 cups is being divided into 1/4 cup servings. So when we write our expression, we're going to start with what's being divided. In this case, it's 10 cups of pudding. 10 cups of pudding, we're dividing that into 1/4 cup servings. How many fourths are there in 10? When you solve this, remember, you're going to start with 10. You're going to change your division to multiplication, and you're going to flip your 1/4 to 4 ones. Number 5. Number 5, you're just going to straight up solve that expression. 1/3 divided by 5. Think for a minute. Are you going to be ending with a fractional answer or a whole number? This one is very similar to number 2 because, like number 2, we have a fraction being divided into 5 parts. So if I drew a tape diagram of that and we cut this into a third, we shaded that, what we would be doing in essence is taking this 1/3 and dividing that into 5 more parts and seeing what fraction would be left. I'm going to draw really bad lines here. My apologies for that. 2, 3, 4. So we can see right here, I just divided my thirds into 15ths now. And what part is double shaded? You're going to have that one little part that's double shaded. So that's just a picture of what number 5 would look like. Your job is to solve it mathematically. Number 6, your final question for today, is a review question. We're looking at which number has the digit 6 in it that's 1/10 the value of the 6th here, the 6 there. That 6 is in the thousands place. If we're finding a number that has 1/10 the value, that's like dividing by 10. So 116,480. If we divide that by 10th or find 1/10 of that, we would be taking this 6 and moving it to our hundreds place, because hundreds are 1/10 of 1,000. So find the digit that has a 6 in the hundreds place and you're good to go. All right, remember tomorrow, week 13, day 5, there will be no video review on that. You're going to do that on your own and I'll count it as a quiz grade. Okay, thank you.